We're really pleased to show you our brand new animal shelf, which features animals from both the poles, so mostly endangered. We have a very beautiful orca, a narwhal, a walrus, a Arctic fox, a beautiful snowy owl, a fabulous polar bear, a beautiful white pine marten, a reindeer, a king penguin and a snow hare. And like all the other animals in our animal range, they can be stacked really well. So it's a bit of extra play value. They are made from solid rubber wood and they've all been coloured in a non-toxic water stain, which makes them very tactile and soft.